think for me was time. It took longer than I expected
probably.
to get it done. We were living with my parents at the time. And
Want to get out of there quick?
we wanted to not be there. I mean, my parents were great. That sounded bad. But we had a small child living under their roof, and I was glad when we didn't anymore.
I think just probably the stress of having people in your space and trying to get everything done on the time frames adds a bit of stress. But
I had a bit of a meltdown.
You did.
The smallest things can become big things. I wanted to have a built-in bathroom niche, but I didn't communicate that early enough. I didn't realise how early the wood form work happens, and so we didn't get that.
Yeah.
Yes is the answer, and the reason why is because, so for example, we had a built-in cupboard storage area that I got quotes from 12 grand, but actually got it built for 5 grand. So that's a huge saving, like less than half. And I think if you didn't know that, like, a professional could tell you to keep shopping around, we just did because I'm so bloody minded. But like, and I had the time. What Michael said was right. I had the time. I wasn't working, so I had 6 months off, and this was my job for 6 months. So I had that ability. But you know, not everyone can do that. That's a really tricky thing to be able to do. We were living with my parents so we could save that money to enable us to do it. But if you can't do that, then you know you're trying to make all these decisions around a full-time or part-time job. It's highly stressful. Like Michael said, take the time to plan. Like if you're time framing, scheduling things out, and you've got 6 months to work with, then take a full month. And I'm not joking, before, you know, like, because things like all the tile decisions, the tapware, the cabinetry, all of those things, spend time researching them. And in an ideal world, even if you could, have a year beforehand researching that and speak to different professionals, get advice.